blowing, money's what I'm throwing, L blowing. Look, XO in my fucking lungs. It feels good till my mind feels dumb. I feel like I am stuck, but yet I run in my mind, cause I just go think of ways to find more fucking ways to get this fucking dough. I might get a pack of that XO, then hit the studio, then go and call your girl. So I guess I'm getting by in the studio, girl. Can you call me back, cause I'm getting to that dough. I feel like if I keep smoking on this motherfucking XO, I am just gonna go crazy. Damn, I hated when I used to smoke that baby. I'm talking about that maybe, but lately I can't stop doing this. Been about 3 or 4 years that I've been true to this motherfucking XO life. Y'all just getting on strong, nigga. I've been past